Hi everyone, welcome to I Need Scholarships channel. Today we know that how to apply ISDB scholarships, Islamic Development Bank scholarship. It is a fully funded scholarship. Everything is free with monthly stipends for graduate, master, PhD, and postdoctoral program. And also researcher can apply on this scholarship. Uh, First open your browser and search ineedscholarship.com. The I Need Scholarship website is open. Now search here ISDB scholarship. ISDB. Search here. Islamic Development Bank Scholarship 2020. Open this post. The detail of these scholarships are open here. ISDB announced the Islamic Development Bank scholarship for international students. So if you interested in this scholarship, so prepare your documents according to the requirement of Islamic Development Banks, and also click on this link to check regularly scholarships updates. Objective of Islamic Development Bank scholarships. Please read carefully all this state concept of ISDBS scholarships. The ICS scholarship is very high grant, high scholarship, so opportunity student fulfill requirement, and you must apply for the scholarships. It is a fully funded scholarships, and also your monthly allowance, food expenses, airfares. Selection procedure is an independent two selection committee, that is advisory committee, select the profile of student, they also their educational background and research work and projects are important feature for selection. You are interested in this, so focus on your research interest and research field. If you are have a paper, then publish on and give a link when you apply on this portal. Also check other scholarships, HDR scholarships in Australia, AIT scholarships in Thailand, and scholarships in UK. Click on this link. The scholarship of AIT scholarships details are open. If you are interested in these scholarships, then read all these instruction of the scholarships and check the official announcement of the scholarships and click on this link to check to apply for the scholarships. Description of the scholarships: it is an offer for bachelor, graduate, master student, PhD student, and postdoctorate degree. Researcher can also apply in sense fully funded scholarship. There is no need to send hard copy documents. Applicant must be applied their application. The application auto considered under the ISDB scholarships. You are apply on this link, your application automatically is considered as the ISDB scholarships. Deadline is 28 to 2021. Click on this link to check the bachelor program. The detail of the undergraduate program is open. All details and eligibility criteria, introductions are mentioned here. Please read carefully. If you are student of undergraduate or graduate degree, if you have undergraduate degree, then you apply for the scholarships and all majors are given, specializations, economics, and then click on apply buttons. Now check the master detail of the scholarships. Click on this link to check master detail of the scholarship, all master scholarships, and about master scholarship, introductions, eligibility criteria, and other all requirement are given. Field of study, food security, quality of teaching, public integrations, all detail are mentioned here. If you interested in this scholarship for master degree, so apply for these scholarships. Benefits of the facilities: monthly stipends, tuition fees charged by the university and approved by the Islamic Development Bank's economic class return ticket, air ticket, and allowance for the students selected to student abroad. Thesis preparation allowance. Also, it is a more important feature. Your check obligations. Candidate grant scholarship are accepted to. All details are mentioned here. Please read carefully all this instruction. Also check the PhD, PhD or postdoctoral degree details. Click on this link. Detail of the PhD and postdoctoral research. Also, researcher can introduce introduction concepts, eligibility criteria. PhD study have a master degree is one of the field of study of program have minimum very good academic standard, preferring having work and research experience. Postdoctor also read the postdoctor research have a degree in the one of approved field of study, food security, quality of teachings, etc. Please read carefully and select your majors and apply on these scholarships. It is a very high standard scholarships. Benefits and facilities: monthly stipend, tuition fees, cost of medical treatment, economy class return air ticket, thesis preparation allowance, scientific paper. Read carefully. If you have a research on any topic and publish a paper, the all your expenses via a scholarships. Place of study: all the areas are mentioned here, in which Malaysia, Turkey, Morocco are in your own country. Obligation: selection procedure are already discussed about this. Also check how to apply for the scholarships. Click on this link to check the official announce on the scholarship. The detail of the scholarships are open here: undergraduate, master, PhD and postdoctoral research paper, and also ISDB for teaching, vocational education and trainings, ISDB bachelor studies, ISDB World Academy of Science, objectives, concepts, and schedule of activities are the graphs are mentioned here. Selection procedure, notes, place of study, partnership programs, alumni platforms. Now click on this button for apply for the scholarships. The application is opening. The scholarship application portal, how to apply for scholarship. The registration portal is open. If you are a member of this already create an account, then write here your email and password, then click on login button. If you are new here on this portal, then click on register here buttons. After click on registration button, the contact information form is open. Now right here first name, last name, select date of birth, right here your email address, nationality, select your nationality, gender, region, telephones, address, country of residence, state of city, then click on submit button. When you create your account on scholarship portal, then check your email address, the verification email sent to your into Gmail account, and click on the given link in your email account. This page is open now, and click on apply for scholarship. Now your degree and select all this according to this format, and now click on this submit button. Now the eligibility will have a message: you have successfully completed quiz and may now proceed. Click on proceed buttons. Now the application portal is open for academic background. Right here your university name, college name in which your bachelor degree is complete, bachelor study country, select your country, faculty, field of study, bachelor study, duration of study, and right here your CGPA, bachelor study, date of graduation, your completion degree date, membership, and CV attached here. And now click on submit buttons. After this, click submit button, the new application portal. After fill and submit this form, click on this professional. You click on next button. Name of institution or organization where you work on right here, and country of your current workplace. Select your country where you work, a current email address, workplace, your office emails or others, job titles at current workplace, supervisor name at current workplace, supervisor title current workplace, and also fill all details of this. It is optional, not is compulsory. If you have this all IDs or data, then you fill. If you have no all this data and information, then click on next button and go to master degree study pro. Brief explain the problem solving and developing enhance of your research and study to need of the country or region. Right here is mentioned duration of study under the program selected 2 years, maximum 2 years. So you select this in this MSc, select your course by research and must study by across major fields. Select your field, health, education, energy, sustainability, all health, ICT, Islamic economics. Suppose you select on your choice. Now select on this Islamic economics, finance, and like mentions here, zakat management. You select on your according to choice. Awarding a scholarship by ISB require travel any area in the world. Select here this are yes or no, and how applied for ISB scholarship earlier. Was scholarship awarded for your undergraduate study? Do you have any special physical needs? If you have special physical needs, then select no. And do you have annual income or source of income? If you have annual income, then click on yes. If you are no working in any area, then click on if you are student and not do a jobs, then select the no. And add a reference name. If you have name 3 reference and at least 3 reference from your professor, professional, academic, click on this link. The detail of this right here your click recommendation letter, reference letter, and also English proficiency letter issued by from your institute or your professor, lecturers. And then uploads, click on the sub plus button and the upload the documents of the scholarships. And now you click on the attachment your upload national ID card or passport. If you have no passport, you can upload your ID card copy, upload your CV, upload your certificate of good health and physical examination forms. Upload here, upload 3 letter of reference, recommendation letter, reference letter issued by from your professor, teacher or institute, university. Upload BSc degree and transcript. Upload work experience, click on next. And upload letter of evidence for admission if you have. It is a optional, not compulsory. And also this is optional, not compulsory. Full research proposal, it is a must for everyone for full research, and it is a main key point of the scholarships. Click on next buttons and save and declarations. If you have all read this carefully and I am agree, click on agree and here click on submit button. After click on submit button, your application submitted on the scholarship portal. Okay, thank